The courtroom comes to order. Everyone rises as Judge Vaughn B takes the bench. Her voice is calm, firm, and in control. This is case number JVB 1040, the Golden case. From the very first seconds, the tone is serious. Real lives. Real consequences.
All rise. Judge Vaughn B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1040, Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Golden, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. This is my baby father, Jaleel Scott. I'm here to place him on child support for our child, Emery II.
Ms. Golden steps forward. She tells the court why she's here. She wants the father of her child, Jaleel Scott, placed on child support. The judge notices the tension immediately and asks the obvious question. Is she angry? Ms. Golden admits she is. Not just upset, but frustrated. She believes he's lying about how much money he really makes and failing their child.
You mad at him?
A little bit.
Oh, okay. Why are you mad at him?
He's claiming that he only makes $40,000 a year when I know he makes well over that, and he's not taking care of our child.
Okay.
And it started off one night, we were bar hopping. I'm a bartender.
Okay.
And, you know, things got carried away.
What do you mean by things got carried away?
How little Emery was made.
Oh. Well, I don't need those details, but...
The story of how this child was conceived comes out. A night of bar hopping. Drinks flowing. One decision leading to another. The judge quickly cuts off unnecessary details, steering the case back to what matters. The issue isn't how it happened. The issue is responsibility.
No, he didn't believe that it was his child.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you guys were bar hopping and then...
Yes, ma'am.
So you left your job, he came to your job, and then y'all went bar hopping and had some drinks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you guys ended up getting together and you got pregnant.
Right.
All right. And so he's mad at you.
The judge lays it out clearly. There was a relationship. A pregnancy followed. The father denied the child at first. But DNA tests were done. Several of them. The results are clear. Jaleel Scott is confirmed as the father. There is no dispute left on that point.
Because you got pregnant?
He didn't believe that it was his child.
Why would he think, well, you know what? I'll ask him that. So you want him to pay child support today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have we done DNA testing?
Yes, ma'am. Several of those.
Several, okay. And?
All with his name on that paper.
Okay.
And the DNA saying that it was his.
And I see the last test. He has been confirmed as the father, so there is no dispute there. All right, sir? Why are you mad at her?
Because I'm gonna tell you my side of the story, all right?
All right, let's hear it.
All right, I was at the bar with my boys, you know, kicking it. It was Super Bowl weekend. So,
Okay.
you know, Kansas City, you know. So, you know.
Now it's the father's turn to speak. He explains his side. Super Bowl weekend. Drinks he didn't plan to have. A night he says got away from him. He claims he never intended for any of this to happen. The judge listens carefully, then brings the focus back. Intent doesn't erase a child.
I'm just minding my own business, looking at the screen. All of a sudden, I see this Hennessy bottle in front of me, and this girl. I'm like, what? So she gonna offer me a drink, talking about, you can take one. I'm like, I'm trying to be sober tonight. You know, I'm trying to go home and, you know, kick it with the boys, play some dominoes and spades, you know. But, you know, I said, why not, you know. I took one, then you know what happened. One turned into another, then another. Then next thing I know, I wake up the next morning, she in my bed. I'm like, how you get here?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see why you're upset. You didn't intend for that to happen,
I
right?
didn't, not at all.
Oh, okay. She bamboozled you.
She sure did.
Okay. All right. Well, you know there's a baby here, and you're the father. So whether she bamboozled you or not, you have a baby that you need to take care of.
And I'm off.
Judge Vaughn doesn't sugarcoat it. Whether he liked how it happened or not, there is a baby here. And that baby needs to be taken care of. When asked if he wants to apologize, his answer is blunt. No apology. The courtroom goes quiet.
For that, I'm all for that. But, I just don't like the way she did it.
Okay, I understand. You want to apologize to him?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like no apologies will be happening today,
Or
Mr.
ever.
Scott. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to order you to pay child support. Is this baby on health insurance?
She's on Medicaid.
What is this baby's name?
Emery.
Emery. Well, how do you spell her name?
Emery.
The court moves to finances. Ms. Golden challenges his reported income of $42,000 a year. She claims there's more, pointing to social media and flashy spending. The judge stops her gently but firmly. Accusations are not proof. The court can only rule on what is officially presented.
Should have been Jalea.
Emery.
I don't think Jaleel is a pretty girl name, do you?
It's all right.
Right after her mommy.
Well, you know what? That could have been something that you entertained if you'd have been taking care of the baby and not saying it wasn't yours. You'd agree with me, right?
I guess so.
Okay. All right. So, Emery, you said she's on Medicaid, and I heard you mention something about $40,000.
Yes.
What is wrong with that? Because he turned in some
That's what
tax returns, and it actually says $42,000, so it's more than 40.
And it's more than that.
How do you know?
$48,000 all over his social media, flaunting money at the strip clubs.
Oh, okay.
Where is this extra income coming from?
First
Sir,
of all-
it ain't that $42,000 that you're
Well,
claiming
I'm
that you
actually
have.
asking the questions here, but I asked the same question. Where is this extra income coming from, sir?
I don't know where she getting that from. I'm a
So
barber. My money is inconsistent.
Okay, so the money that she's talking about that you're flaunting on social media, is that the same $42,000?
That's
You're
sometimes
just making it.
The judge breaks down the numbers step by step. Income. Net pay. Existing children. Medicaid limits. Every dollar is calculated carefully. The final ruling is clear. Jaleel Scott is ordered to pay a total of $787 per month in child support and reimbursement. He confirms he understands.
Stretch.
It just be my homeboy's money this time. I stunt with theirs, every now
Oh,
and
so
then.
you stunned.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you. It's not his money.
Bamboozling.
Oh.
Was
Well,
the
it
word
sounds
we
like
like
you
to
both
use.
bamboozled each other. So in my
What we
opinion,
like
you're
to
both pretty
use.
even, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to base his child support off of this $42,000 from his tax return. That's what he turned in. If you can show proof that his income is more than $42,000, you can come back to court and I will entertain it, sir, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But today, this is what we're going to go off of. So at $42,000, that makes his gross $3,500 a month, which brings your net down to $2,950.42. Do you have any other children, Mr. Scott?
I got one other child.
One other child, okay. Did that mom bamboozle? I'm kidding. Okay, so one other child, that brings your child support obligation to $472. And Medicaid, I'm only allowed to take up to 9% of your gross. So 9% of that $3,500 will be $315. That has to be reimbursed to Medicaid. You understand? So your monthly obligation total is $787.
All right.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. And are you going to be a part of Emery's life?
Hey, I got to. It's my DNA.
Okay, all right. I would really like to see you do that. And I would.
Before dismissing the case, Judge Vaughn asks the most important question of all. Will he be part of Emery's life? She urges both parents to be civil, to be kind. Because this isn't just about money. It's about a child who deserves stability and care.
I would like to see you guys be friends. So you have to be nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any other questions?
That is all.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
God is good.
Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B, and I have a little helper with me today. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Golden case. So this case was pretty straightforward. Mom and dad had a relationship, had a child. Mom is seeking for dad to pay child support. Dad took a DNA test, was confirmed as the father. Now, You heard mom say that she was upset that he was not correctly reporting his income. Well, the court can only go based off of what he actually produces. He produced a tax return showing his financial income, and that's what we...
As the case closes, the judge reflects on what the audience witnessed. This case was straightforward. 2 parents. 1 child. DNA confirmed. The law followed. And the message is clear. From the bench, Judge Vaughan leaves them with a final reminder: when a child is involved, excuses don't matter, responsibility does.